Hi there, I'm Daniel Goldfine.
And I am Hillel Garcia.
And today we want to show you the new issue page experience, which includes
the improved issue overview UI, the new Incidence Activity section, the new Anomaly table, and the improved Impacted Entities UI.
the issue overview section went through some cosmetic changes in addition to some added data about the issue. First of all, I will note that the issue payload moved here for your convenience and for a better access. Here you can see a more detailed presentation of the issue's destinations with a tooltip. Soon we will also have links here to external destinations such as Jira. Here you can see the issue's duration and when it was activated. In general, you can see an improved UI with emphasized call to action buttons and more details about the issue.
For the new Incidence Activity section, we have a new UI that uses the same layout no matter the amount of incidents. On the title of this section, you will have in handy the total number of incidents within this issue. Then, on the left side of this section, you will see the new Incidence Activity list, which displays at a glance the most relevant information of each incident, such as its priority, state, name of the incident, the date when it was created, and the duration. You can sort this list in a specific order by clicking the drop-down in the top left corner. Then, depending on the attributes of the incidents in the list, you will see different sorting options, such as newest to oldest, duration, critical to low, or even muting if you have incidents that are being mute. The list displays both closed and open incidents, but you can hide the closed ones by clicking the switch with the label Show Open Only on the top right corner. Note that these filter and sorting options are only available for issues with more than one incident. The blue border indicates the incident that is currently selected. To select a different one, simply click any of the incident cards of the list. Now on the right side of this section, you will see more information of the selected incident, like the source, the alert policy, and the alert condition. For these two, you can click the pencil icon to edit them. And finally, you will have the condition type and the condition type button to see the overview. Below, we'll have the same chart we used to have before, but with some little enhancements in the time range, in order to better visualize the degradation, violation, and recovery periods. In the last part of this section, we will have the list of entities of this incident, the list of tags and their values, as well as the incident payload and the runbook link if exists. It's worth mentioning that our team worked hard on the redesign of this new layout, so even small screens can see it properly. We cut long names with ellipses and used tooltips to display the full text, as well as showing Show All links to indicate there are more items to display.
This is a new section we added for Anomaly Incidents. Here you can see all incidents that originated from Anomaly with some important data such as its state, its priority, when it was created, the issue name, the entity name, and its muting state here. When it's fully muted, you will see the muting icon. You can click the Anomaly incident to open the Anomaly overview. Another thing I want to show you is when an anomaly is correlated with an incident. Then you will see both Incident Activity section and the Anomaly table. We also did some UI changes to the impacted entity section. As you can see, we removed the segmented control, so now both entity list and the entity map is shown side by side. All entity actions can be found in this drop-down next to the entity. Clicking the entity will open the entity overview.
And that's it for today. We hope you will like these features as much as we do, and you will find them helpful.
Thank you, Hillel.
Thank you, Daniel.
And thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.